Are you tired of the same old fitness foods? You know, the bland chicken, the boring broccoli, the tasteless tofu? Listen up, because I'm about to turn your fitness world upside down. Today we're diving into some unusual foods that pack a punch when it comes to fitness benefits. We're talking about superfoods you've probably never heard of, let alone considered adding to your diet. Get ready to discover the hidden gems of the food world and take your fitness journey to a whole new level. Right, you lot, let's talk about spirulina. This isn't just another health fad, it's a game changer for anyone serious about their fitness and overall well-being. This ain't some fancy ingredient you find in a Michelin star restaurant. Nope, it's a humble yet powerful superfood that's been around for centuries. This, my friends, is a blue-green algae. It's been consumed by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs, who recognized its incredible health benefits. Yeah, you heard me right, algae. But don't let that put you off. This algae is packed with nutrients that can supercharge your body. Now, before you turn your noses up, this stuff is a bloody powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We're talking protein levels that would put a chicken breast to shame. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina can provide you with a significant amount of protein. This stuff is a complete protein, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. It's like nature's perfect protein source. Think of it as rocket fuel for your muscles. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, spirulina can give you that extra edge. Need an energy boost before hitting the gym? Spirulina's got you covered. It's a natural source of energy that won't give you the crash that sugary drinks do. Ditch the sugary pre-workout drinks and get yourself a spirulina smoothie. It's a healthier, more effective way to fuel your workouts. It's packed with antioxidants, which help fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells and hinder your performance. Antioxidants are crucial for recovery and overall health. And don't even get me started on the iron content. Spirulina is one of the best plant-based sources of iron, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood and energy levels. We're talking about a serious boost for your red blood cells, which means more oxygen pumping through your body, giving you the endurance to push through those grueling workouts. So, if you're looking to take your fitness to the next level, consider adding spirulina to your diet. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Next up, we're heading to Korea, a country known for its rich culinary traditions and vibrant street food culture. One of the most iconic dishes you'll find here is kimchi. This fiery fermented cabbage is a staple in Korean cuisine, and let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. The process of making kimchi is an art form in itself, involving a meticulous blend of spices, vegetables, and time-honored techniques passed down through generations. But trust me, your gut will thank you for adding this pungent powerhouse to your diet. The unique fermentation process not only enhances its flavor, but also boosts its health benefits. See, kimchi is what we call a probiotic food. It's packed with live cultures that are incredibly beneficial for your digestive system. That means it's teeming with beneficial bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut. These good bacteria help balance your gut flora, which is crucial for overall health. And a healthy gut, my friends, is the foundation of a healthy body. When your gut is in good shape, you feel more energetic, your skin glows, and you just feel better overall. We're talking improved digestion, a stronger immune system, and even better mental clarity. The benefits of a healthy gut extend far beyond just your stomach. Think of your gut as the engine room of your body. Just like a well-oiled machine, your body needs a well-functioning gut to operate at its best. Kimchi acts like a crack team of mechanics, keeping everything running smoothly. It helps maintain the delicate balance of your gut ecosystem. It helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and fight off any bad bacteria that might be lurking around. This means you're getting the most out of the food you eat, and don't even get me started on the flavor. The combination of spicy, tangy, and umami notes makes kimchi a culinary delight. That spicy, tangy kick will wake up your taste buds and leave you feeling alive. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish, in soups, or even in fusion recipes, kimchi is a versatile addition to any meal. So next time you're looking to spice up your diet and boost your gut health, reach for some kimchi. Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. Now let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny seeds have been around for centuries, originally cultivated by the Aztecs and Mayans. They valued chia seeds for their ability to provide sustainable energy. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. These little guys may be small, but they're absolute titans when it comes to nutrition. Just a single ounce of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fat, 5 of which are omega-3s. They also pack a punch with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Don't let their size fool you. They're packed with more omega-3 fatty acids than a salmon swimming upstream. Omega-3s are essential fats that you must get from your diet because your body can't produce them. They play a crucial role in brain function, as well as normal growth and development. We're talking about the good fats, the ones that help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and keep your brain firing on all cylinders. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. And that's not all. Chia seeds are also loaded with fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in digestion by helping food move smoothly through your digestive tract. It also feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, which is important for overall health. Fiber helps regulate your bowel movements, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and can even help lower cholesterol levels. High-fiber diets have been linked to a reduced risk of developing various diseases including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Think of chia seeds as the unsung heroes of the superfood world. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, mix them into your smoothies, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. They're versatile, easy to incorporate into your diet, and deliver a knockout punch of nutrition. Whether you're looking to boost your omega-3 intake, improve your digestive health, or simply add more nutrients to your meals, chia seeds are a fantastic choice. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of these tiny titans. Listen up, because I'm about to introduce you to a real game-changer moringa. This tropical plant is like the Swiss Army knife of the superfood world. We're talking about a nutrient profile that's off the charts. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, you name it, moringa's got it in spades. This stuff is a nutritional powerhouse that can boost your health in countless ways. We're talking about increased energy levels, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and even protection against chronic diseases. Moringa is also a fantastic source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Think of antioxidants as your body's own personal army, fighting off the bad guys and keeping you healthy and strong. Finally, let's talk about kefir. This fermented milk drink might sound a bit odd, but trust me, it's a real winner when it comes to gut health. Like kimchi, kefir is a probiotic powerhouse, teeming with beneficial bacteria that work wonders for your digestive system. We're talking about improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a stronger immune system. Think of kefir as a soothing balm for your gut. It helps restore the balance of good and bad bacteria, creating an environment where your digestive system can thrive. And a healthy gut, my friends, is the key to overall wellness. So if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to boost your gut health, look no further than kefir. There you have it, folks. 5 unbelievable superfoods that can take your fitness journey to the next level. These aren't your average fruits and veggies. These are nutritional powerhouses that can boost your energy, improve your digestion, and help you achieve your fitness goals. Give these unusual superfoods a try and see how they can enhance your fitness journey. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and find new and exciting ways to incorporate these ingredients into your diet. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about trying new things and finding what works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. And as always, stay healthy and stay hungry for more.